Over the last few years, e-commerce has become an indispensable part of the global retail framework. Like many other industries, the retail landscape has undergone a substantial transformation following the advent of the internet, and thanks to the ongoing digitalization of modern life, consumers from virtually every country now profit from the perks of online transactions. As internet access and adoption are rapidly increasing around the globe. Before COVID-19, we had forecast the global retail would expand by 4.4% to $26.460 trillion in 2020. Online shopping is one of the most popular online activities worldwide. 18% of local searches lead to a sale within 24 hours. Mobile will be reaching 70% of e-commerce traffic by the end of 2020. By the end of 2020, over 2.5 billion mobile phone or tablet users made some form of mobile commerce transaction. Mobile commerce was hitting $800 billion in revenue in 2019, which is more than 300% growth over the past 4 years. E-commerce seems to be growing with no limit in sight. With more than 2.5 billion online shoppers, retailers have a seemingly endless pool of potential customers. How do you capture their attention? What do online shoppers expect from their e-commerce platforms in 2020? E-commerce marketing and research. Research shows customers respond well to trustworthy customer experiences. From user-friendly product pages and helpful customer service to transparent delivery fees. Customers in 2020 are looking for a well-rounded experience even after they become interested in your products. Mobile e-commerce statistics by 2021, mobile is predicted to dominate online sales, driving 54% of all sales. When deciding which brand or retailer to shop with, 59% of shoppers say having a mobile site is important. Mobile e-commerce will account for 45% of all e-commerce revenue by 2020. 70.5% of U.S. social referral traffic was generated from smartphones during the first quarter of 2019. 80% of consumers search for information, reviews, and price comparisons online while shopping in a brick-and-mortar store. Online shopping on mobile increased from 8% to 15%, while on desktop dropped from 78% to 63%. 82% of internet users in the United States have used a mobile device to shop online. 53% of smartphone and tablet owners will shop on a specific company's app. Almost 37% of smartphone users make an in-store mobile payment every 6 months. E-commerce shopping habit customers have seemingly unlimited options for online shopping. How do people choose where to shop and whether to pull the trigger on their purchases? These latest statistics break down consumers' e-commerce shopping preferences, payment methods and platforms. Customer experience on e-commerce website. Consumers say their main motivation for shopping online is the ability to shop 24/7. Businesses lost $756 billion because of poor e-commerce personalization in 2019. The top reason customers shop in marketplaces over stores is price. Search and navigation are the most important site elements for online shoppers. 55% of online shoppers would rather buy from companies with store locations rather than exclusively online retailers. 80% of online shoppers and 64% of mobile shoppers believe new technologies improve their e-commerce experiences. Introducing ExlWeb, your mobile-first e-commerce shopping cart. ExlWeb done all these things for you in simple, effortless setup. Get ready your online storefront with ExlWeb and rapidly scales revenue by getting more clients. ExlWeb will help you make more money than ever before by providing you your own personalized platform and letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. You will be able to sell your services from the comfort of your home. ExlWeb is a one-stop platform for selling all your services. You don't need anything else other than ExlWeb to scale your business and revenue. You would have realized the importance of being able to earn income from home, and ExlWeb will help you achieve exactly that. ExlWeb is the exact product that you need right now. Your storefront will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share the link with anyone. This will help develop immediate trust amongst your clients and build your status and authority as a business owner rather than being a simple freelancer selling on Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, FB Marketplace, etc. Customers feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer allowing you to charge more, keep more and generate maximum amount of profits as quickly as possible. Clearly, ExlWeb will make you more money than anything else on the planet. by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. So grab this opportunity with ExlWeb and accelerate your business. This is a limited time offer. Thank you.